In today's video, I'm going to cover the kinds of owning a Tesla Model Y, and I'm starting right now. And I will say the first kind about owning a Tesla Model Y is that there is a lack of service centers, and the wait time after you set up a service, sometimes it can extend for a while. The service centers are not abundant, and also the wait times after you set up service can vary a long time. Another con about owning a Tesla Model Y, especially the one that I have with only 2 dual pane windows, is the wind noise and the cabin noise whenever you're driving, especially on the highway. I can be on the phone and people are like, "What? I can't hear you. It sounds like a lot of wind. It sounds like you're in water." I know now all 4 windows have double pane glass, but the one that I have is only the front 2 windows. And I do notice that a lot of the noise that I do hear, it is coming from the back. The front of this car is very slick. A traditional car, you have a lot of vents and air vents and things like that. So when rocks hit, it can go through the vent or something like that. This car, anything that's on the road, it's going to hit your car. You will have rock chips if you don't have paint protection film on your car. So it kind of makes you a little paranoid sometimes whenever driving the car, because I'm like, oh my goodness, I hope I don't hit a rock. It's a magnet for dents and rocks to pretty much chip the paint on your car. With an expensive car comes expensive repairs. A month after receiving this car, I cracked my windshield, and it was $1,300 in order to repair the windshield on the car. Thankfully, insurance took care of most of it. I just had to pay the $50 deductible. I found this website, which I'm going to link down below, on some of the other repairs that people had with their Tesla. The first one here, someone got sideswiped by a truck. The repair cost was $49,011, and it took 3 months in order to fix that. The next one down, someone got rear-ended, and that was a $15,996 repair, and they had to wait 2 months for that. That's a big con about owning a Tesla. The repairs are expensive, and also you may have to wait a while in order to get your car back. And also, that's a con as well. These cars are crazy expensive. When the Model Y first came out, it was approximately $45,000. Now the Model Y, the base, with nothing added on to it, is starting off at over $65,000, and that's over the span of 2 years. I know that Elon has always said that the goal of Tesla is to make cars more affordable. Right now, they are not headed in that direction. And if you're spending $65,000 for a car, you would think that little things would be added, like live GPS traffic data, or just say music streaming services, things like that. However, the monthly subscriptions on this car is a con. You pay a lot of money, but still up front, they nickel and dime you every step of the way. Yes, you can use your phone as a hotspot, but that's kind of spotty within itself. So owning a Tesla, you do have monthly subscriptions if you want to unlock all that this car has to offer. And there are other regrets that I have about this car. Check out the video right over there on the top about my regrets about owning a Tesla Model Y. Check out the other video down there, all things related to your Tesla and your money, and I will see you in the next video.